residents should visit the nearest spaceport information kiosk.
Hello. Look at the guy. So cute.
Don't you dare make the trouble my feet. Where are we now? The Wookiee planet. Imperial troopers, what are they doing here? I'm afraid you're not.
This is us right now. This is how we shuffle. Apparently actively they were sleeping, so we'll see how that is. Are
you serious? Frozen friends are on their way, so don't hold back your Halloween spirit. Let it go.
danced in the middle of Main Street, and now we're getting coffee. What are you gonna get, Tyler?
I'm about to get like 10 shots of espresso. I feel like I'm dying right now. I'm so tired.
Yeah, same, bro. Trenta coffee or Trenta vanilla.
To be absolutely fair, we've slept a total of 9 hours in the past 3 days.
Oh my gosh. We're filming?
Yeah.
We're buying annual passes right now.
Stop. Wait,
No
this
way.
has been a dream forever.
Nee,
ever.
this has been a dream of mine forever.
Since literally 2017. Hey girl.
Our annual pass holder. This is like our favorite store. This is cute. This is cute. This is so cute. Oh. You can do that.
Come seek an adventure in salty old pirates, eh? Sure, you've come to the proper place. But keep a weather eye open, mates.
Yo ho, a pirate's life for me.
Hi, Tyler.
Walking over to Batuu. Me and I took a little resty in Paris. We just slapped our heads together. Slept for a few. I haven't been to Batuu here yet. Talk to y'all in Batuu. Y'all never do this ride, okay? It's horrible. Don't recommend. Look at all these sad people. They're like, what did I get myself into? Walking through Batuu, bright suns everywhere, bright sun, sky.
staying at the Four Seasons Bora Bora. The Hawaiian Mama.
Stop. How cute. Aww. Hi guys, there's about 24,000 people in Disneyland right now, but we're gonna go to Splash Mountain and wait for like an hour. Because I didn't make that decision, but they did. We're gonna miss it so much.
It might actually be the last time we ride it.
No, literally. Here we are on Splash. Splash Mountain! Let's go! Woo! My poncho's falling apart, so I have like ties in it. Oh! Tyler! No! That was cruel! That went all on me! You missed so bad! This is terrible. Not this way. Oh! Hell! This poncho sucks! There we are! Stop. Splash was an adventure for sure. Wow. That was a passion project. How are you doing over here, Tyler? Better than ever. Amy and I are just...
What you got?
Oh, nothing.
You got nothing?
No, I had this.
Oh.
It's $29.
Okay. Perry, what you got? Nothing.
We got annual pass instead of...
Annual passes. Okay, that's something.
For men? Really? Do Autotopia and go get dinner. Does that sound good?
That sounds good to me.
Everyone agree?
I think the fans think that sounds good. We're gonna do it.
Alright. Just kidding, no Matterhorn today. Too long of a wait. It's 80 minutes. So we're gonna be going to Autotopia and drive some cars. Super exciting. Autotopia. Oh, hi. Honda, love you. I don't know. I think it's still Tomorrowland. I'm trying to make my shots more steady. I know that they're not. So, yeah. Bye.